Hello and welcome to Paddock. Today we've received results for some of our samples and we're ready to create a recommendation. So we're going to do that in Paddock Mobile by touching on sampling to head on in. This is of course going to do our quick sync and it will land on our draft orders page. Once we're in, we can either go through our purchase order number and navigate to our sample results that way, or you can work through trading names, whatever is easier. In my case, I'm going to touch on sample orders and then I'm going to touch on the purchase order related to my new results. So I'll touch on that purchase order number and then I'm going to touch on all barcodes to see the barcode results. From here, because we have pre-selected our evaluation table, I have my status report available. So I'm going to touch on that status report icon, which is going to generate the report for me. Once this is loaded, this is an opportunity for me to check those results and see what I would like to create comments on for my grower. So you can just use the Zoom tools, you can email this to yourself if you like, but this is really your opportunity to review those. So in my sample, I can see I have a Colwell P that's quite low. My result is 5 and my sufficiency range is 60 to 80. So I may like to complete or recommend something about that. I may like to look at my magnesium. I might also like to look at any high results and just get ready to compile your recommendation. Once you're ready to do that, we're going to touch back in the top left corner and we're going to touch into that barcode just in the white in the section in the top there. If you scroll down, you can see at the very bottom is this recommendation comment section. So this is where we would add our recommendation. So you can use the return button to add extra spacing. You're simply typing in what you would like to see. Once you're ready, touch on update in the top right corner. That's going to complete a quick sync and then it's going to allow those comments to be seen on the status report. That quick sync is completed, and so now I'm going to touch on my status report icon again on that same barcode. I can now see on my status report, I can see the first page that I was looking at before with my results and their sufficiencies, and a second page, which is where your comments would be for your grower, including your full recommendation. Once you've confirmed that that is all that's required, you can use the share icon in the top right corner and email that to your grower. You also have the opportunity to send a text message to your client with the PDF if you choose. Thanks for joining me.